This is Mountain Man from BCB, and we're here to do a review on the Gerber Pack Hatchet. I love this hatchet. It's good for backpacking. It's got a hollow handle on it, holes for lanyard so you don't lose it. You can tie it to anything you want. Not a whole lot you can explain about a hatchet, but it's got a good spot on the back for pounding in your steaks, your tent stakes, and all that good stuff. It gets razor sharp. I don't know what kind of steel it is, the Gerber Mystery Steel, but it does get sharp. It's got a titanium oxide coated blade on it that prevents rust. You don't want to do any steel rolling to the blade that's coated and stuff. You can see it's more of a grayish than the regular steel. Or scratch it off because then it's useless. It's got a really great sheath. I've got my Alice clip on it from my Expedition pack I'll do a review on later. It's Velcro. The Velcro does wear out a little bit and it could be a little bit tighter this way, but it's not anything you can't fix yourself with a sewing needle and some thread. You can hang it up like on your wall when you're not using it right here with this clip. Riveted together, you can see right there. And on the inside what I really like is it's really good, it's really sturdy, and it's got rubber right there and right there. So your hatchet blade is not going to cut through it and destroy the sheath like I've experienced with many other hatchets, especially ones with the cheap plastic ones. I got this at Sportco in 5 here in Washington, but you can get it anywhere on the Gerber website, Amazon, Cabela's, anywhere. Thanks for watching.